MCQ stand questions, children.
Okay, sir.
So the first one, see, if sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3, then the value of tan theta plus cot theta. If sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3, then the value of tan theta plus cos theta is equal to dash. Now, how do you find this? So, what we have here, children, what is given in the question? Sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. So that I'm writing now sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Okay, this is given by distance now. Now we need to find the tan theta plus cot theta. So what do you need to do, children? Just take square on both sides. By taking square on both sides, then what do you get here? Sine theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 3 whole square. Now, if you see the left hand side, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, children. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So the children, sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to the square and root get cancelled, then is equal to 3. Very good. Now the children, see, we know that the trigonometric first identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So it seems to be, children. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal, let us substitute 1 here. And the plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. Got it? And plus 1 send that side, children. Plus 1 send that side. Then what do you get, children, here? 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1. And 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And 2 get cancelled. So the last, children, the sine theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Children, so why there is enough simplifying these equation to the sine theta into cos theta is equal to 1 then? Children, see, we need to find the value of tan theta plus cot theta. So that we are going to convert, we are going to express this time tan theta cot theta in sine and cos terms here. So let us do now. See, children. So they are given that a tan theta plus cot theta. So tan theta can be written as a sine theta by cos theta. And the plus cot theta can be written as a cos theta by tan theta, as we know that, isn't it? Now the children, see, two fractions, we get the LCM as a cos theta into tan theta. Sorry, this is sine theta, children. Cos theta into sine theta. Now, here we get, children, sine theta into sine square theta and plus cos square theta. Now, with the children, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now, cos theta into sine theta. Now, the children, I think you might understand tan theta plus cot theta by changing into the sine and cos terms. So, we got 1 by cos into sine theta. So the children, to find this value, we need cos theta into sin theta. So the children, here I found sin theta and cos theta value by simplifying this equation. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Very good. Now 1 by cos theta into sin theta is equal to how much, my distance? 1. Just substitute. Then 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So this is the final answer, children. So whenever sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3, then the tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. What is an absolutely correct answer now? Option C now. Okay. Now let's go to the next problem now. The next problem is if 1, 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is 0, then the value of the c children. So the children see, first we need to understand this problem. 1, 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is 0, then the value of the c. Given p of x is equal, children, ax square plus bx plus c. In earlier videos, earlier classes, that what we have seen, children, direct polynomial as given and 1, 0 as given, then we found the other 0. But here, see, children, he has given the general form of quadratic polynomial, and 1, 0 is 0 as given. So we need to find the c. What is c value, children? What is c here? It is a constant here. Got it? Now, so what he has given, children, 1, 0 is 0, means nothing but let us substitute x is equal to 0, children. So as we know that 0 of the polynomial is nothing but the value of the variable which satisfies the given polynomial, which makes it equal to 0. So the children see, so that by substituting this 0 in the given polynomial, okay, it gives 0, children. Why? Because already 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. So that, children, let us substitute x is equal to 0 in the quadratic polynomial. Now p of 0 is equal to a 0 square plus b into 0 plus c is equal to 0. Now a into 0 is 0, b into 0 is 0. Therefore, the entire term will be equal to 0, then c is equal to 0. Then what is the answer, children? C is equal to 0. So what is an absolutely correct answer? Option D is the correct answer. Option D. It is the most important. This idea is the most important, children. In the examination hall, to get this idea is the most important here. Okay, please don't get confused. Don't get afraid about this problem, children. Okay, very simple. Simplification will be very simple. But whenever you read the question, so you may think this is all. Okay, got it. But don't think like that. The getting of this idea in the examination hall is the most important. So make sure about the practice more problems here. Okay. Let us go to the next problem, children. Triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle at C with AC is equal to 4 centimeters. Then the length of AB is. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So what kind of the triangle is given, children? Isosceles right angled triangle. Got it? So now let us draw the isosceles right angle triangle now. Okay. So very good. So isosceles right angle triangle means two sides will be equal and one angle will be right angle triangle, children. Okay. So this is hypotenuse, children. See, it may not be equal to any other side. Why? Because it will be the longest side of the right angle triangle. So the children see only the possible equal angles, equal sides are these two. Okay. And right angle at C, here I am writing as C here, and this is A and this is B. Got it? So this is the triangle, children, which is isosceles right angle triangle. Got it? So here right angle at C here. Any doubt? Now, the given value is, children, AC is equal to 4 centimeters. Means this side is given as the 4 centimeters. So we need to find AB. Then AB, children, see here. Here AB is hypotenuse. We need to find the hypotenuse. But the children see hypotenuse, height, and base. So the children, to find any side of the right angle triangle, then which theorem to be used here? Wonderful, Pythagoras theorem. But to use the Pythagoras theorem, children, we must know your other two sides here, base and height. But then how do you find the base?
Sir, in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal.
Wonderful. So in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So that, children, So these two sides are equal. That's what the BC would be, the 4 centimeters. Got it?
Yes, sir.
That's it, children. So by using Pythagoras theorem, then the children see hypotenuse whole square is equal. So base square plus height square. Got it? Now hypotenuse, the base is equal to 4 square plus again 4 square, my distance. Now that is equal to 16 plus 16. So we get here 32. Now hypotenuse is equal to nothing but AB is equal to, children see squares and that's it becomes a root 32. Now this root 32 we can write as here 16 into 2. Now the 16 is nothing but, children, what is the square root of 16? So that is 4. Now 4 into root 2 centimeters. The children see here, so it is a big process. I will say the shortcut method also. In children see, in isosceles right angle triangle, please listen here, okay? In isosceles right angle triangle, hypotenuse is always root 2 times to the equal side. Any doubt? Hypotenuse is always, hypotenuse is always root 2 times to the equal side. This is the property, children. Okay. Now in this case, children, hypotenuse we need to find and root 2 into equal side. What is equal side, children? 4. That's it. Now 4 into root 2 centimeters. I've got same answer.
Yes, sir.
Then what is use of using this formula?
Time management.
Yes, time management. Time, we can save the time. Okay, got it. So it may take here 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, children, but within 30 seconds you can do that. So what are the equal sides? 4. That's it. So we know that hypotenuse is root 2 times the equal side. So 4 into root 2 is equal to 4 root 2. The option B is the correct answer. 30 seconds we can complete the answer. Got it?
Yes.
Right.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Now that please take screenshot, children. Now let us go to the next problem. The perimeter of a sector of angle is 45 degrees of a circle with radius 7 centimeter is dash. The perimeter of a sector of angle 45 degrees of a circle with radius 7 centimeter. It's a very simple, children. We need to find the perimeter of the sector. We know very well about the sector, children. So this is a circle, we know that. So this is the sector, got it? So the children see, here is the angle at the center of the circle, children, that is being given as the 45 degrees. And radius is equal to 7 centimeters. And this also would be the 7 centimeters. There, what do you need to find, children? The perimeter of the sector of angle. Sector. We need to find the perimeter of this one, children. Means, for example, OAB sector. Means to find the perimeter of this angle, children, we need to add 2 radii and length of the arc here. So the perimeter of the sector is equal to length of the arc plus 2 into radius. So this is the formula to find perimeter of sector. You get my point? This is the formula. So children see, but we know the radius, we don't know the length of the arc here, isn't it? So we need to find the, first of all, children, length of the arc we need to find here. Length of the arc now. Okay. Therefore, length of the arc is equal to the formula we know, children. Theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Okay. Theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Or also, some of the textbook will give as a formula as theta by 180 into pi r. Okay. Can be. Why? Because 2 ones are 2 180s are. You get the 180 directly. Okay. But don't get confusion. Sarah has given this formula. but there is textbook in this formula. There is no change, children. Both are same here. Got it? So now let us use, children, this formula. Theta is equal to 45 degrees by 360 degrees into 2 into 22 by 7 into r is nothing but 7 here. Right. Now 7 cancel, children. 9 5s are 45. 9 4 are 36, 0, and 5 ones and 5 8s, 2 ones, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 11s. It's a very simple, children. So we got as 11 by 2. 11 by 2 means 5.5 centimeters. So length of the arc we got means from length of the arc means this is AB. AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Got it? Now we got the length of the arc, children. We can find perimeter of sector. Now see, children, perimeter of sector is equal perimeter of sector. Perimeter of sector is equal, the formula is L plus 2R. Now L is already we got, children, 5.5 centimeters plus 2 into radius. What is the radius, children? Wonderful, 7. Now 5.5 plus 2 7s are 14. Now please add, children. 5.5 plus 14 is nothing but what do you get?
19.5 centimeters.
Very good. 19.5 centimeters. So what is an absolutely correct option, children? Option A is the absolutely correct option. Okay. Please take a screenshot. Let's go to the next problem, children. Fifth problem. In a box, there are 800 bulbs. In a box, there are 800 bulbs, out of which 780 bulbs are non-defective. Then one bulb is taken out of at random. What is the probability that the bulb is defective?
1 by 40.
How? How by 40?
The total defective ones are 20, sir. 20 by 800.
Very good. The first of all, children, we need to find total defective bulbs, children. Total defective bulbs. So here out of 800, yet 780 bulbs are non-defective, isn't it? Very good. So number of defective bulbs is equal. Number of defective bulbs is equal 800 minus 780. Now that is equal to 20. So 20 bulbs are defective, children. Got it? So this would be the favorable outcomes, isn't it? And we know the total number of outcomes is 800. Got it? Now very simple, children. The probability that the bulb is defective, is equal to number of favorable outcomes is 20 and by number of total outcomes is 800. Now please cancel, children. 0 0 cancel, 2 1s and 2 40s. Now that is equal to 1 by 40. So which option is absolutely correct option, children? Option B is correct option now. Right, children, let us go to the next problem. The zeros of 4x square minus 4x plus 1 are alpha comma beta, then find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta we need to find, children. Got it? Children, see, first of all, I'm taking this here. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equals. Children, see, by simplifying this here, alpha into beta will get the LCM. That will be the common denominator of 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. And we get, children, is beta plus alpha. Now, beta plus alpha by alpha into beta means alpha comma beta are the zeros, roots of quadratic polynomial. And the children say alpha plus beta is the sum of the roots, and alpha into beta is product of the roots. Got it? So the children see here we need to find alpha product of the roots and as well as sum of the roots. We have learned, children, the relation among the zeros and the coefficients of the quadratic polynomial. We have learned in the classroom. I explained very clearly, children. So now let us see the alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That we know that. Minus b means it is the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x, children? Minus 4. And already there is minus 4, children. Here is minus. Okay. So there will be the 2 minus, children. Don't forget here. Minus of minus 4. So children, so you will forget this minus, children, so that you may get wrong answer. Okay. So please, here is a minus and here is a minus. So minus of minus 4 by a is equal. A is nothing but coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square, children? That is 4. Any doubt? Now minus into minus gives plus, children. Now 4 by 4. Now 4 get cancelled. Then what is the answer, children? 1. Okay. So this is alpha plus beta is equal to 1, children. Now alpha into beta. Let us find now. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Now c is nothing but constant term. That is 1. And a is already we know the, children, coefficient of x square. That is 4. So 1 by 4. Now we know the alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value. Let us substitute here, children. Alpha plus beta is equal, we got 1, and alpha into beta we got a 1 by 4. Got it? Children, actually I already told you miscellaneous fractions. This entire subdenominator goes to the numerator, children. Then what do you get? Or else 1 into 1 by 4 means we can write as a 4 by 1. So we can write as a 4 would be the correct answer, children. So which option is correct option, children?
Option A. Option A.
Option A is the correct option. Okay. Any doubt? Right, children. Next, let us go to the next problem here. Okay. So this is 7th problem. See, if in a triangle ABC, right angle at C, in which AB is equal to 29 centimeters, BC is equal to 21 centimeters, and angle ABC is equal to theta, then the value of cos theta plus sin theta. The children see cos theta value and sin theta value. As we know the particular magnitude of theta value, children, we don't know. So the children, and also the question he has given the triangle, children, right angle triangle. Means we need to use their ratios. We will learn that sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse and cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. By using these ratios, we need to find the value of cos theta plus sin theta, children. Okay. So to find the, children, first of all, let us draw the right angle triangle now. Okay. Now this is right angle triangle, children. So right angle at C means this is ABC, and right angle at C, children, this is the right angle. Now let us mark the given values, children, given line segments. AB is equal to 29 centimeters. This is 29 centimeters my distance, and the BC is equal to 21 centimeters. Now we need to find an angle ABC is equal to theta. Now children, see, to find the cos theta and sin theta, cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse, and the plus sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Got it? So here we need to find, children, to find the adjacent side. Already has given the adjacent side to theta and hypotenuse we have here. But whereas to find the sin theta, children, we don't have the opposite side to theta. So we need to, first of all, we need to find the opposite side of theta here. Now tell me, children, how can we find opposite side to theta?
29 square minus 21 square.
Very good. What is the exact theorem did you use, Mr. Kulkarni?
Hypotenuse.
Which theorem?
Pythagoras.
Very good. Very good. So Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? So by using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse whole square is equal to base square plus height square. Got it? But we need a height, children, so base square is in this side. Height square is equal to hypotenuse whole square minus base square. Got it? Now, height square is equal to square, I'm sending that such it becomes a root here, hypotenuse whole square minus base square. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So the children see, then what do you get here? Sorry, hypotenuse whole square is nothing but 29 square minus base square is nothing but 21 square. Now 29 square value, 29 is 841. Okay, and minus 21 is 441. Got it? So children see this technique has been, I have taught how to find the square root in faster way. Okay, you can see the remaining videos, children, previous videos here. Now under root of 841 minus 441 is nothing but 400.
400.
Subtracting. Now what is the square root of 400, children? 20. So we got height is equal to 20 centimeters, children. Now let us find the cos theta plus sin theta value. Okay, cos theta plus sin theta. So I'm rubbing, children. Please kindly take screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Right. So the children say I'm writing here. Right. So the cos theta plus sin theta is equal to, cos theta is nothing but adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse, and sin theta is nothing but opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Now what is adjacent side, children? Adjacent side to theta. This is theta. Okay. Adjacent side to theta is 21 centimeters and by hypotenuse is 29. Plus opposite side to theta is 20 by 29. Got it? Now we know the children how to add the fraction. So it's very easy to add here. Why? Because they have the same denominator, that is 29. So that will be the common denominator, that will be the LCM, children. Now, as there are the same denominators, we can write as this numerator. 21 plus 20 is nothing but, children, 41 by 29. 41 by 29 centimeters. So children, see what is absolutely correct option here? Option A. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Right. Let us go to the next problem. Let us go to the next problem now. So 8th problem, children. If one card is drawn from well shuffled cards, the probability of that the card is not as. Okay. So the children, see, we know that there will be 52 cards. The 52 cards, there are 4 sets, children. 4 sets. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In each set, children, there will be one S. So that, children, here will be A's and here will be A's and here will be A's and here will be A's. So totally, the total number of A's in the 52 cards is 4, children. Okay. Whenever you pick a card, when you draw a card from well shuffled cards, so you may get this A's or this A's or this A's, this is. Okay. So the children see the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 4 and the total number of outcomes is equal to 52. Because totally the total cards is 52. You get my point? So children see this favorable outcome is nothing but, so let us find probability of drawing a ace. Drawing a ace is equal to 4 by 52, but 4 ones and 4 13s. But he is asking us, it must not be not an ace. Not an ace, children, just subtract this 1 by 13 from 1. Why? Because the sum of all probability of all the events is equal to 1, children. So let us subtract to not to get A is equal to 1 minus 1 by 13, children. Now what do you get here? 13 would be the denominator. 13 1 the 13 minus 1. Then we get here 12 by 13. It would be the answer. So option C is an absolutely correct answer, children. Okay, otherwise you can do like this also, as 4 possible outcomes are there to get A's. To not to get the A's, children, from the whole 52, just subtract 4, you will get the 48. Now this would be the number of favorable outcomes of not to get an A's, children. So A to the power of C, FC. So the children see, and total number of outcomes is 52. Therefore 48 by 52. Now just cancel it, children. 4 ones, 4 twos, and 4 13s. The answer would be 12 by 13. So like this also you can do, children. Okay, and like this also. So there are two ways to do this here. Directly you can do like this, and first of all you can find the probability of getting an as, and later by subtracting this probability from the whole, then you will get answer. Okay, any doubts? Now, let us go to the next problem now. Now, Harish and Harsha are the best friends. Their birthdays are in same month and same week. Find the probability that both have different birthday in same week. Harish and Harsha are the best friends. Please read very carefully, children. Harish and Harsha both are the best friends. Their birthdays are in the same month and same week. Find the probability that both have different birthday in the same week. Different birthdays in the same week.
6 by 7.
Wonderful. 6 by 7. Very good. Children, for example, Harish's birthday is on Monday. For example, I'm taking. Let us assume that. Then rest of all the days are the possible days. Okay. All the days are the possible days of being a birthday of Harsha, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So the children see, so except this one day, the remaining 6 days are the number of favorable outcomes, isn't it? Why? Because in a week there are 7 days. If one day is the birthday of one boy, isn't it? In other 6 days, maybe any one day may be the birthday of other boy, isn't it? So the children, these 6 days will be the number of favorable outcomes. Do you get my point? And total number of outcomes is equal to 7. Therefore, the probability to get different birthdays in the same week, children. Do you get my point? Same week is equal to number of favorable outcomes is, that is 6. Total number of outcomes is 7. So 6 by 7 is an absolutely correct answer. For example, children, same question he may ask you to find the probability that both have different birthdays in the year. In the year, children, for example, instead of mentioning same week, for example, if he gives year give means, for example, if one day is the birthday of Harish, then rest of the 364 days, maybe any one day of 364 days will be the Harsha's birthday. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So that's why, because there are 365 days in the year. So the probability of not to get same day, okay, same birthday date. So children, see what you get here, 364 by the total number of days is 365. So 364 by 365 would be the probability of not to get same day of birthday of Harish and Harsha. Got it? The difference between two numbers is 26, and one number is 3 times the other than those numbers are.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very simple, children. Okay, directly we can do here. Children, see, difference of two numbers is 26. In these 4 options, children, see, 39 minus 13 is equal to 26. And 36 minus 12 is equal to how much, children?
24.
24. And 72 minus 24 is equal to?
48.
Eh?
48.
Very good, 48. And 72 minus 46 is equal to? 26. So the answer may be A and D, 50-50%. Okay. So, and one more thing, children, the next strategy is one number is 3 times the other than. One number is 3 times. Children, see, if you see D option, 46 and 72. 72 is not 3 times of 46, children. We can understand easily. Got it. But whereas comes to 13 and 39. 13 3s are 39, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 39 is the 3 times of 13. so that we can understand that. So this option A is satisfying. Their difference is 26, and as well as the 39 is 3 times 13. So that option A would be the correct option. Okay, got it. So this we can do in another method also, children. The same method. So let us take as the two numbers as x comma y. Let us assume, or else instead of taking x comma y, children, for example, if one number is x, then other number would be the 3x, children. Why? Because other number is 3 times the other number, is it? Then their difference is 22, children. 3x minus x is equal to 26, and 3x minus x is equal to 2x, and that is equal to 26. Now 2 1s, 2 13s. Now x is equal to 13. Means one number we got 13, children. Then by using this also directly we can do as, we can select as option A is the correct answer. Why? Because there is no 13 number in other options here. But sometimes he may give 13 in another number also, children. So that in that case, then we need to find second number also. To find the second number, what is the second number as per assumption, children? 3x means 3 into x we got as 13. 3 into 13 is equal to 39. You get my point?
Yes, sir.
So what is the correct option, children? Option A is an absolutely correct answer. 13, 39. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and please like and share. Please share it to your nears and dears. And so we have our application in Google. So you can download My Score application from the Google. My Score. So we have published free materials, material, and as well as premium material also. And there are online courses, free online courses, and as well as premium online courses. So please download My Score application. My Score application, and there are test series also. So you can purchase the test series. Okay, only the grade 10th test series. So we are selling 97 rupees. Only just at 97 rupees we are selling test series now. Okay, and also we have conducted many free tests, pre-board tests, and as well as revision tests also. We can write, still they are available. So within 2 days they are going to vanish from the My Score application. So please download My Score application from the Google Play Store. Okay, right. Thank you very much. I need your support. Please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.